Recover your deleted Instagram account with these simple steps. If you deleted your Instagram account within the last 30 days. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Enter the credentials of your deactivated account and tap on Login. Now a pop-up will appear. Simply click on Reactivate. That's it. You can continue using your Instagram account again. If you want to recover a linked account, open the Instagram app. At the bottom right corner, tap on your profile picture. In the top right corner of your profile page, tap the 3 lines. Inside Settings, tap on Account Center. Next, tap on Profiles. And you can see the account that is scheduled for deletion. Now go back and scroll down. Tap on Personal Details. Then select Account Ownership and Control. Here, tap on Reactivation. Click on the account that is scheduled for deletion and wait for a few seconds. Once it's done, go back to the Account Center. Tap on Profiles. Here you can find your account again. And that's it.